So yeah, we got the paperwork right here. Yeah, paperwork, regular paperwork. This year comes with eSIM, by the way. So let's see what we have here. Oh man, actually hard having to record this with this. So let's see what's up with this. What's here? I don't know. Okay, yeah. So you no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during iPhone setup, right there. So yeah, we got the charger right there. You know, nothing special. You know, the charger head is no longer there. So basically, but yeah, this is the baby right here. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this. Let's pull this tab off. Wow, I love doing that because it's just, it feels so good. But yeah, so this is the phone right here. I'm just gonna power it up now. All right, phone is coming up. So yeah, we have the dynamic island in this year iPhone lineup. Yeah, the dynamic island is just absolutely stunning, man, guys. Yeah, the brightness is very, you know, it's very clear, very high brightness right there, as you guys can see. I'm not sure you guys can actually see the brightness here, but damn, this phone is just mind blowing. So yeah, this is a dynamic island right here. So yeah, we have the dynamic island, guys. This phone is just beautiful, man. It's just beautiful. So yeah, I'll just be setting this up, and I'll come right back for the other video. So yeah, this is the phone, guys. The phone is absolutely beautiful, man. So we have the surgical blade right here. It's made of stainless steel, by the way, so it's very shiny, and you know, it's sleek. So yeah, the phone is cute, man. So yeah, this year we have a bigger sensor, a larger aperture. The reason is because Apple bumped up the 12 megapixels to a 48 megapixels, which means that pictures are gonna be super clear, you know, stunning images. So yeah, the sensors are a bit bigger than the 13s, basically. So we also have a bigger flash right there. We have the LiDAR sensor still there, and the Apple logo, the shiny Apple logo. So yeah, this is deep purple. Sometimes when you're looking at it from afar, it looks like space gray. Yeah, it looks like black, it looks like space gray, but yeah, you can definitely see the purple tint in it. So yeah, the phone is beautiful, man. And this is American spec, by the way. So we have the 5G sensor right there, and yeah, this is the phone, as you guys can see. We also have the always on display, basically. So literally the phone dims when you're not using it, right? And it stays on like throughout the day, so all of your notifications can come in, and you can, you know, glance through some of your recent notifications. You don't miss anything right there. So yeah, it's beautiful, man. And also the biggest spec of this phone is this dynamic island. So yeah, we have the dynamic island right here. So basically we have some tiny interactions going on in the dynamic island, like when you want to unlock your phone with Face ID. And there, iOS 16 is quite beautiful on this phone. Like it's smooth. So yeah, let's do this. So yeah, let me show you how the dynamic island works, basically. So if you go to clock, and you go to, let's say we go to timer, and let's say we start something like this, and then you swipe up, you can see that, you know, we have the little interaction going on there. It shows you the current time left for your timer. Basically, you can tap and hold on it, and it pops up like this. So yeah, it's just so beautiful, man. So this is the reason why I love Apple so much, because the fluidity, you know, it's just out of this world. Like, you know, when you're scrolling through your applications, you're scrolling through your phone, everything is just fluid, you know, it's smooth, there's no lag, unlike Android where, you know, you experience some minor lags here and there. But you know, this is just so smooth, you know, opening and launching of apps so super fast, as you guys can see. So yeah, it's a spec, man. I would definitely recommend you to get this phone. We still have the lightning port right there. We don't have a USB-C this year. I'm expecting Apple to switch to USB-C very soon. So yeah, the phone is just absolutely insane. There's no much difference from the physical parts, yeah, from last year's own, right? There's no much difference. It's just, you know, minor little changes that are, you know, quite significant, like the dynamic island, you know, the notch, you know, is no longer that huge, you know. So yeah, as you guys can see, the phone is cute, man. Scrolling through apps super fast, you know. So yeah, I can just tap on this and then close this. Yeah, the dynamic island is just beautiful, man. So yeah, looking at this phone from afar is just, it's just mind-blowing. So yeah, we still have the LiDAR sensor, the 48 megapixel, the lightning, the flash lighting. So yeah, it's a beautiful phone. This is very, very cute. So yeah, peace out, guys.